So the people listening, अगर आपकी wife Berry and Lush में जा रही है, you will end up doing different activities
with your kid.
with your kids, of course. What is the highest number of stalls you have done till now?
So 42,
Oh, from 8 to
8
42.
to 42.
In how many years?
3. Like especially the exhibitors. कि यार they should wait कि Berry and Lush में तो book करवाना ही है.
And रितु, आपकी क्या कहानी है?
I started in 2000, I guess, 23 only with our drama. So from there it was like क्या कर सकते हैं, and I came up with the t-shirt thing.
And also I want to know कि when you started with both of you, when you started with your journey, ऐसा कुछ turning point or some memory that was very close to your heart and you'll remember कि हाँ यार ये अच्छा हुआ था, ऐसा something like that. Do you have any such kind of memory?
Yes. So initially in 2 exhibitions, 2 or 3 I can say, my father, he didn't visit it. So one after my 3rd or 4th, I don't know exactly, exhibition, like we were having conversation, he asked me, क्या हुआ तू तारू exhibition?
Similar thing but different aspect. It was like as a father, उनसे ये कभी नहीं बोला जाता कि okay, you're doing this, I am supporting you, ये वो सब कुछ भी नहीं. They are like हाँ ठीक है आप कर रहे हो करो, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है, understood. But when some other person tells you ना कि पता है तुम्हारे पापा मिले थे and he was talking about your brand.
I feel that fathers, उनके emotions बहुत कम बाहर आते हैं और उनको ऐसे झटके लगते हैं.
हाँ, तभी वो बताते
तभी वो
हैं.
रियलाइज करते हैं. I mean,
something. तो that was something कि कहीं ना कहीं उनको भी है कि कर मतलब कर ले पर दिखाना नहीं है कि
it is like खिचड़ी वाला प्रफुल्ल सिंह, मेरी हंसा.
Beneath they are proud.
yeah of course they see again the Zakir Khan वाला dialogue कि कोई भी माँ बाप आपको गरीब नहीं देखना चाहता. They are not against your passion. They are like वो आपको गिरता हुआ नहीं देखना चाहते कहीं ना कहीं. तो yeah.
नहीं, but I'm really glad, all 4 of us sitting. I mean, अगर आप हमसे भी ये सवाल पूछते, we had and we still have, I'm sure, very interesting answers for this, and also for the entrepreneurs and people listening to us. Talk to your father if you felt that कि अभी तक आपको जो मैसेज मिलना चाहिए था नहीं मिला. सही हो के गलत हो मुंह पे बोल देंगे.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Friends in Town. Today we have with us 2 extra special women. One who creates a stage for brands. She is an exhibition organizer and a mom. The second one is a performer who shines on such stage. The owner of brand Art Drama, whose speciality is to create t-shirts that says comfort and style. Let's welcome both of them. So let's start from the starting. How did your journey start?
So I never wanted to be in this exhibition thing or never thought about being an organizer. But like it was so instant. Like you want to know the entire story? It'll be
मतलब
little elaborate.
click कैसे हुआ? Elaborate in a short way.
So click ऐसे हुआ कि like one of my friend from Surat, she basically wanted to sell her products in Vapi. She wanted to explore a new town. So I helped her. I helped her with 2 exhibition, like private exhibition you can say. So one we did in my space. So that time we could have obviously she was not having contact in Vapi. The contacts were all mine. So we invited many friends. We had sent invites and everything. So enough public we could gather in that exhibition. So they were like, you just give a try. So I was still not sure whether I'll do or not because I never wanted to deal with so many people. So she was like, you go with pop-up show, which is basically under 10 stalls you can take.
Okay.
So that way my journey started. I started with 8 stalls of different category.
Nice.
What is the highest number of stalls you have done till now?
So 42.
Oh, from 8 to
8
42.
to 42.
In how many years?
3.
Probably whenever we talk about women entrepreneurship, I mean, I personally feel that this is the best part about it. That, when you think that I'll do something small and with time it evolves into such a big thing. Because when you say that I didn't wanted to, like interact with a lot of people, but starting discussing from 8 stalls, abhi aap 42 stalls ke liye manage kar rahe hain. I'm sure it is 42 into 3 people that you are coordinating with. So do you feel that this is what success is, like with time?
Definitely. So Berry and Lush को 3 years हुआ है. For 42 stall, it is like you can say 2 years. Within 2 years,
You got this achievement.
yeah. So 2 exhibitions I did with 8 stalls, then another 2 with 17 around stalls, 17 plus you can say. Then I started taking 2 banquets. So that way is 42.
That's great. That's great. And Ritu, आपकी क्या कहानी है?
I started in 2000, I guess, 23 only with our drama, and I'm basically from a business background. My father is a business owner. So from there it was like मुझे कुछ तो करना है, कुछ तो business खुद का करना है, मुझे अपने dad के business में involve नहीं होना था. So from there it was like क्या कर सकते हैं, and I came up with the t-shirt thing because to do the wedding collection and Indian wear you have to go like बहुत लंबा बजट एंड बहुत डिटेल में आपको उतना एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए. आई एम अ फैशन स्टूडेंट एंड आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू समथिंग इन फैशन, तो आई थॉट ऑफ स्टार्टिंग इट फ्रॉम स्मॉल, लाइक टी शर्ट से स्टार्ट करते हैं, लेट्स डिज़ाइन टी शर्ट्स एंड फिर विल स्विच. So yeah, that's how it started.
As you were saying along about your family thing also, that you come from a family business background. Tell me one thing, what is this entrepreneurship as a woman in Vapi specifically? यहाँ पे अभी भी traditional business mindset को बहुत ज़्यादा follow किया जाता है.
Correct.
So where do you stand in that thought process? Because you come from a business background. How was the approach for that?
Traditional as in what? Traditional मतलब क्या?
Traditional में काफी सारे कुछ चीजों को इसी तरीके से किया जाता है. मतलब you are jumping
certain rigidness. Yeah.
Being a woman entrepreneur specifically.
Okay, so it's like आप जब family already business में है तो एक उसके पर्क्स भी होते हैं और उसके ड्रॉबैक्स भी होते हैं कि दे नो हाउ अ बिजनेस इज गोइंग टू रन. ठीक है, दे स्टॉप यू कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा लॉस में ना चले जाओ या बहुत गलत डिसीजन ना ले लो करियर वाइज कि आप उससे फिर कम बैक ना कर पाओ. इट्स नॉट अबाउट मनी, इट्स अबाउट एज अ पर्सन आप बहुत डीमोटिवेटेड ना हो जाओ लाइफ में. दे वॉन्ट टू गाइड यू. उसके वजह से दे ट्राई टू स्टॉप यू इन सर्टन थिंग्स कि आप ये ऐसे मत करो वैसे करो. एंड आप कहीं ना कहीं एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग आपको ये रहता है कि इफ आई एम डूइंग समथिंग लेट मी डू इट माई वे. बट एज अ फैमिली जिनका बिजनेस ऑलरेडी है, दे नो कि हमें इसके आगे का स्टेप पता है एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू गाइड यू एंड नॉट इंटरवेन.
Right.
You know what you answered? The traditional का answer खुद ही, because this is what I was asking. कि tradition में, this is a traditional mindset and a business. And there is nothing wrong. And we are not here to judge what is right and what is wrong. But what I was trying to ask is, I'm very much sure people listening, if you are an entrepreneur, ऐसी बहुत सारी traditional कहानियाँ आप भी regularly सुनते होंगे. Your parents are really concerned about what you want to do. They are just trying to help you out. Do not feel that they are hindering in what you want to do. So that's it. Thank you. So Ritu, normally talking about women entrepreneurship, मुझे ये जानना है कि वापी में as a person आपको सबसे बड़ा difficulty कहाँ पे आया? Is it the money? Specifically the capital that you need to do the money? Is it the mindset of the people? Yeah, is it convincing people कि यार मैं ऐसा कुछ कर सकती हूँ? And we are not talking about the family. We are talking about in general crowd, your friends, your extended family, and of course the people coming to you as clients. What is more difficult?
Mindset I would go for, because it's first thing is वापी का है ना, तो कि हाँ ठीक है ना, ये तो वी नो हर या वी नो इसको क्या ज़रूरत है पैसे की या बिजनेस करने की. इट्स फाइन, ठीक है. बाहर के लाइक द पीपल हु डोंट नो मी आर मोर लॉयल कस्टमर, जितना आई हैव रियलाइज्ड. एंड इट्स लाइक इतने में 500 की टी शर्ट है तो दैट मस्ट बी द क्वालिटी मस्ट बी चीप. इफ 700 की टी शर्ट है इट माइट बी वेरी कॉस्टली. उतना वो मटेरियल का नहीं होगा कि हम उसको 700 पे करें. इवन दो दे आर गोइंग विद अदर ब्रांड्स, वहाँ दे पे 1500 2000 more than 1000 they pay there, and वहाँ से फिर they are fine with it. But if same thing with better quality and customization I am providing them, तो they are like थोड़ा सा dicey about it कि maybe this is going like this is the quality अच्छी है कि नहीं है, the price maybe it's bit high. But I think with time I have seen जिन्होंने एक बार ली t-shirt just for the sake of friendship or relation, they have come back again for the quality कि nice quality.
प्रैक्टिकली आप ब्रांड्स की बात कर रहे थे कि मैं वापी बेस्ड ब्रांड हूँ, इस वजह से लोग
थोड़ा सा यार
सेगमेंटेड वे में आपको ले रहे
yeah,
हैं. Pooja, the same question goes to when you came up with this idea and you were exploring your friends, your families and your extended support people. What was the difficulty? Mindset था? Because हर किसी को ऐसा लगता है कि इसको पैसे कमाने की क्या जरूरत है. So did that mindset actually affect you anywhere?
So I started my journey with the local exhibitors, and it was it was a good memory. And I had to deal with 8 exhibitors just who were doing really good, and they were homegrown brands. They are in fact. As I grew with the number of stalls, then I came to know what the actual problem is. Like when you deal with many heads, that time you come to know how people act differently. So the major problem is payment. Timely payment I'm not getting. So, but that's also fine. Like we cope up with, like every time it's a learning thing.
So, but still asking, when you say that payments are not on time, tell me, how does it affect you, your performance when you want to deliver something? जाहिर सी बात है, पैसा हर चीज में लगता है. कोई टाइम पे दे रहा है नहीं दे रहा है वो अलग बात है, बट टाइम पे पैसा ना मिलने से आपके इवेंट प्लानिंग में कितना इफेक्ट हो रहा है वो?
So of course it affects, because you need to pay the rent of the venue. You need to give few advances. Like you need to print banners, standees, everything. It costs you. It's not that easy as people think.
Apparently everything that you have committed in that quotation
and
of yours.
I have to do things on time, because I feel that I need to get sort with everything at least 1 month, at least with promotions and everything. You need creatives and everything on time. I give personal creatives to exhibitors, like so that they don't have to make of their name, so they can circulate in their circle. So I try to make as easy the things are for them also, and even for me also, so that on the day of exhibition I'll be sorted with and I'll be tension free.
True. So I feel that what you have said in return, so that मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि often हमें as people who are just visiting your space, हमको काफी बार ऐसा लगता है कि पूजा पहचानती तो है, हम उसको बाद में पे कर देंगे, है ना? Even if you ask, I would be like कि आपने ओळखी अच्छे ना, we will give it to you. But this one message that we really want to pass on as friends in town together is like, participation is our role, but managing everything on the other side is their role. Our expectations towards them stand very strong. कि मैंने स्टॉल लिया है, मतलब I want everything to be settled, to the best. But when it comes to money, often we push ourselves back कि एक बार हो जाने तो उसके बाद दे दूंगा. But it does affect the performance of the entire event.
Because services देने के लिए also, you need we actually do need money for everything, and that is a fact.
True. So this is just a small message that we are passing on. If you are a part of the game and if you are representing your business anywhere,
not just here, like
not
for every
here,
exhibition,
course, any exhibitions happening in and around the city, do your best by giving the payments of time. हम लोग सिखामन नहीं दे रहे. It's
request.
It's an appeal. We are addressing the actual problem, the actual elephant in the room.
So and one more thing, like ये तो organizer ही है ना.
True.
See, it is a two-way process.
Very true. Very true.
I'm taking a stall, then I'm trying कि आपको भी business मिले.
Very true. Very true.
So it's a two-way process.
True.
So respect each other.
100% correct. जैसे we have been talking women entrepreneur की problems, and whatever it is, not just women, sometimes it happens with everybody. People don't take you seriously. स्पेशली अपने साथ ये होता है, लाइक यू सेड कि इसके पास तो बिजनेस है, इसको क्या जरूरत है काम करने की. इज इट बॉदरिंग? like it somehow I feel ki everything is not for money, so does that happen with you?
Yeah, of course. It's like ki see, people who are struggling financially, I genuinely respect कि वो बाहर जाके they are working like अपना 100% दे रहे हैं for their family, for their like daily bread and butter. But people who come from a settled family, a settled financial background, उनके घर में mostly women are asked कि तुम्हें क्या ज़रूरत है. Like आपके घर में सब कुछ है, आपके घर है, गाड़ी है, घूमने जा रहे हो, खाना खा रहे हो, बाहर जा रहे हो, तो आपको बिजनेस करने की क्या ज़रूरत है. बट एट दैट पॉइंट दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड इट्स नॉट अबाउट मनी, इट्स अबाउट if I am good in certain things, if I am good अगर मैं किसी चीज़ में अच्छी हूँ, इफ़ आई एम पैशनेट अबाउट समथिंग, आई वॉन्ट टू परस्यू माई करियर इन दैट. एंड वो चीज़ उनको एक्सप्लेन करना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि वो समझेंगे नहीं, बट वेन दे स्टार्टेड देयर जर्नी इट वॉज फॉर ब्रेड एंड बटर. तो उनके लिए ये डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है समझना, क्योंकि हमें उनको ऐसा है कि हमने देखा है, हमें खाने के प्रॉब्लम थे, हमें घर चलाना था. वी जेन्युइनली रिस्पेक्ट दैट कि उन्होंने आज ये लाइफस्टाइल हमें दी. बट वी कांट स्टॉप हियर ना. इवन एज अ वुमेन और अ मैन, लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ लड़कियों को बोला जाता है. बहुत बार होता है कि फैमिली बिजनेस ज्वाइन कर लो, क्या ज़रूरत है अलग से बिजनेस करने की. तो वो वहाँ पे एक्सप्लेन करना थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. लड़कियों के लिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाता है बिकॉज इट्स अबाउट सेफ्टी ऑल्सो. कहाँ जाओगे, कैसे करोगे, क्या करोगे. बट इन जनरल इट इज़ डिफिकल्ट टू एक्सप्लेन एंड टू लेट देम अंडरस्टैंड, लाइक मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड कि it's not about money anymore. It is about following my passion and doing something out of it and make my own name in the market.
True.
Do you face any such kind of problem where people take you lightly?
Yeah, of course.
They do?
Yes. They feel that, like, as I said, organizer ही है ना, यही है. And like people, they don't directly approach with me. They will go to my husband first of all, of few of my friends. Like, although they have approached me, and I had to say no because I was not having that time stalls in hand. So it gets very difficult. Like even I don't like to say no, but I'm helpless. How will I, like the layout is set, how will I manage the space? I need a free space also. I don't want to make a khichdi. Right. So एक स्टॉल करके दो ना. तुम you can do. आप तो ऑर्गेनाइजर हो, आपके हाथ में ही है. But no, it doesn't look good when the event is actually there. Right. So I don't like to sell stalls in desperation, although it's a benefit for me also. But it's like I also want that everyone should be happy, like especially the exhibitors. Correct. कि यार they should wait कि बेरी एंड लक्ष्मी तो बुक करवाना ही है.
So Pooja, talking about entrepreneurs in Vapi, ऐसा कौन सा गैप है जो आप एज एन एग्जिबिटर फिल कर रहे हो that others are not doing?
Okay, so basically I'm selective about my stalls. It is not that I don't want to give stall to anyone, but it is my brand, so I want to be little picky. That's why I ask for photographs, for Instagram ID, so that I can go through their products. And to a certain level, like चलो क्लोथिंग की बुकिंग इतने आ गए, although मुझे bookings मिल रहे, I will not entertain because even I have to think from the point of view of visitor. What if I would be a visitor and I would go to some place or some exhibition? So even I will prefer to see, like choice चाहिए मुझे भी.
Yeah.
So I try to seek different categories. Like kids के लिए भी होना चाहिए. Females में like clothing has different varieties.
Yeah.
Like different categories. भले वो clothing दिख रहा है, clothing है, racks दिख रहे, but the categories are different. So I am little picky about my stall. So because at the end, Berry and Lush से लिया था.
Right.
True.
I have also seen you through your exhibitions. You keep a lot of activities.
Yes.
उसका कुछ अलग कहानी.
Yeah, so the thought behind this activity stall is जिनको शॉपिंग नहीं करनी है, जैसे बच्चे हैं, बच्चे शॉपिंग नहीं करने देते हैं, husbands हैं, so like they can take care of kids, they can be busy, moms can shop,
Right, moms can
kids will
shop.
be occupied, so moms ने तो क्या
Perfect.
बच्चों की वजह से चलो निकलो.
So the people listening, अगर आपकी वाइफ बेरी एंड लश में जा रही है तो you have been trapped. You will end up doing different activities
With your kid.
with your kids, of course.
So the kid won't let the father also go.
Yeah.
You know, it is very much practical that you're doing this. I feel that it is one of the most proper way to keep everybody managed. कोई भी left out feel नहीं कर रहा है. You know, normally exhibitions में वही होता है कि husband is handling the kid and looking into कि मैं अब क्या करूँ. And then he gets frustrated after 1 or 2 calls.
और फिर हमको लेके जाते हैं बिना कुछ कराए.
And especially that affects the entire exhibition का environment. And this is very, I feel that it's a very smart move even for people who are participating in Berry and Lush, क्योंकि you're not just planning an event, you're bloody planning everything जिससे लोग interact कर सके, जिससे लोग manage रख सके. And I feel that this is one of the more core reasons of why people should participate in your exhibition. You're not trying to compare any exhibitors, but what she does differently is, I have observed this personally, and I feel that this is something very, very creative.
Commendable also. Okay, so being women entrepreneur, I want to know that do you have any specific women figure in your life who has always given you a push for anything new or anything that you want to do and you are not doing, and they have given you a push and you have done that, like a women supporting women kind of thing?
Yeah, so my journey, as I said, it was that only. Like it was an unplanned journey. So I have a good friend like who motivated me. You can do. तू इतना कर सकती तो तू थोड़ा हिम्मत कर. अरे बड़ा नहीं तू छोटा कर. So she convinced me a lot. I was not at all ready to be an organizer. But she pushed me a lot. She supported me a lot.
That's great.
So I'm thankful to her.
Totally get that you're thankful to what she has done. Just a vague question that I want to ask के अगर हम percentage में divide करते हैं, how many women have supported you and how many women have shown a disagreement to, I mean, see, we are not trying to prove anything here, but just क्योंकि काफी बार हम भी जब हमारे बिजनेस मॉड्यूल्स डिस्कस करते हैं.
I'm getting it.
So I guess
Good
people
question.
are also getting it. Good question.
Good question.
But you hurt me.
Yeah, I understood. The way you started, I understood.
Yeah. So do you want to answer anything on that?
Yeah, so it's still a long way to go.
So do you mean to say that it's 50-50?
Yes, it's 50-50.
50 are supportive and 50 are yet not.
Yeah.
Chalo, well, let's talk about yet not now. Agar there are 50% in the market who are still not convinced. We are not trying to justify everything, but what would you do more things differently?
So more things differently, I'm trying to get many things different. But if the people is not getting convinced, but I'm blessed that I'm having that exhibitors also who are like loyal to me. Next आएगा तब मुझे बोलना, please मुझे पहले बोलना. So that way, like.
I'm really happy that you use this word called trying, because at least you are trying to convince people around, to show your exhibitors that, you're trying your level best to get the best for them. So this is something really amazing. I guess जो बाकी के 50 है वो भी आ जाएंगे.
हो जाएंगे.
हो जाएंगे. I just
And what about you? Who is your female figure?
Female figure. See, I'm gonna take a long thing to explain, but it's like, of course, it's been my mother throughout, because बचपन में आप होते हो ना कि मम्मी हर चीज़ के लिए डांटते, like अब as a daughter आप अपने पापा के साइड बहुत ज़्यादा फेवरेबल होते हो कि नहीं पापा मेरी बात मानेंगे, या मम्मी थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट हो जाते हैं. बट विथ टाइम आई रियलाइज्ड कि उन्होंने जिस लेवल तक जाके सपोर्ट किया है, बिकॉज फर्स्ट शी इज़ ऑल्सो वुमेन, शी अंडरस्टैंड सर्टन थिंग्स जो आप कितने भी क्लोज हो आप आपके फादर से आप नहीं एक्सप्लेन कर पाते हो. बट एज अ मदर शी वॉज ऑलवेज, बोलते ना, साइलेंट सपोर्टर. आपको वो दिखता नहीं है, बट शी हैज़ बिन अ गुड बैक लेके हमेशा से वो खड़े रहे कि करके देख, नहीं होगा कुछ नहीं, कुछ और ट्राई करेंगे, ये नहीं हुआ कुछ और. लाइक आई स्टार्टेड विथ टी शर्ट्स एंड नाउ शी इज़ पुशिंग कि आप इंडियन वेयर में ट्राई करो. शी लिटरली पुश्ड मी कि बना के तो देख, किसी को मत दे, खुद के लिए बना, वेयर दैट इन नवरात्रि, देख लोग अप्रोच करते कि नहीं करते. शी इज़ नॉट फ्रॉम अ बिजनेस बैकग्राउंड, उनके हस्बैंड बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, बट शी इज़ नॉट फ्रॉम देयर. बट स्टिल जस्ट फॉर मी शी इज़ लाइक पुटिंग हर थॉट्स आउट देयर कि करके देख होगा. आई हैव सेट ऑफ गुड फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम स्कूल टाइम. ऐसा होता है ना, बहुत लड़कों से दोस्ती अच्छी होती है, लड़कों से नहीं होता. आई डोंट नो ये किसने निकाला, नहीं पता मुझे, बट आई हैव लिटरली 5 ऑफ माई गर्ल्स जो जेन्युइनली, इफ आई लाइक रात को 2 बजे फिर आई टेक्स्ट ना किसी ना ये पोस्ट अच्छा लग रहा है क्या, जस्ट फॉर अ पोस्ट कि ये पोस्ट अच्छा लग रहा है क्या, शी विल बी लाइक हाँ डाल दे, अच्छा है. जस्ट आपको एक अश्योरेंस चाहिए होता है फ्रॉम योर लव्ड वंस. तो या आई हैव सच गुड फ्रेंड्स, फीमेल फ्रेंड्स हु हैव बिन थ्रू लाइक इसमें कहाँ क्या कर सकते हैं, कैसे कर सकते हैं. दे हैव बिन वेरी सपोर्टिव.
And also I want to know कि when you started with both of you, when you started with your journey, ऐसा कुछ टर्निंग पॉइंट और सम मेमोरी दैट वाज वेरी क्लोज टू योर हार्ट एंड यू विल रिमेम्बर कि हाँ यार ये अच्छा हुआ था, ऐसा समथिंग लाइक दैट? डू यू हैव एनी सच काइंड ऑफ मेमोरी?
Yes. So when I started with this exhibition thing, I started organizing. So initially in 2 exhibitions, 2 or 3 I can say, my father, he didn't visit it. So he was like, exhibition hai, kya hoga? He didn't knew what exactly I'm doing.
Okay.
So after my 3rd or 4th, I don't know exactly, exhibition, like we were having conversation, he asked me, kevu huwa tu taru exhibition? So I was like, I took a pause, and that was like very, like, you can say emotions, anger, whatever. So I was actually 2 exhibitions tak to maine kuch nahi bola. Because my mom, she used to visit. She is like my constant supporter after my husband, you can say. So I said, I taunted him. તમને શું ફરક પડે, તમે તો આવ્યા નથી ને. So he was like so shocked. And like somehow my mother, like he shared this with my mummy. And then my mother also lost. She said, તારી જ ભૂલ છે, તારે આવવું જોઈએ, છોકરી આવું કરે છે, તું જો ખાલી એક એવું કામ કરી રહી છે. And then like when my dad visited, he was like so proud. He, for the entire exhibition, he stayed there. And he was like looking everything, and he was like, he took me in corner and he said, you're doing a great job. Like, I'm proud of you. So that was the emotional moment.
I feel that fathers, उनके emotions बहुत कम बाहर आते हैं और उनको ऐसे झटके लगते हैं.
हाँ, तभी वो बताते
तभी वो
हैं.
realize करते हैं. I mean,
So my dad, like, because of age, he forgot the date. So he made another plans. So I was like, when are you going? 11 September now जाऊँ तो मैंने बोला 13 September my exhibition is there. Oh no, I have to cancel everything. So that time I was like, ये समझ गया.
so I'm just adding on to what you have said. I feel that fathers' emotions sometimes they have everything in themselves, but वो बाहर बहुत कम आते हैं. Specifically when it's about their daughter, they have always shown the positive and the strong part of their fatherhood. Very often they would want to show that emotional prospect. जब तक वो ऐसा हाथ पकड़वा के किसी लड़के के हाथ में नहीं दे देते तब तक in that moment also लोग उनके मन में होके जती रह जाए. No, but still I'm very happy that you shared this moment because a lot of fathers do have that in them. Probably वो एक सही moment का wait करते हैं कि I would tell her that this day, like that you're doing an amazing work, and I'm glad that it happened at your 4th, I guess 5th exhibition.
So this is my okay.
That happened your 4th or 5th exhibition. जहाँ पे
3rd or 4th, you can
3rd
say.
or 4th, जहाँ पे
Exactly
your
don't
father
remember.
came to you and you had, it was a very proud moment for you, right?
Yes.
Okay,
It
Ritu,
was
adding-
an emotional moment, in fact.
Ritu, adding on to you, what is
Yeah.
your...
Similar thing but different aspect. It was like as a father, उनसे ये कभी नहीं बोला जाता कि okay, you're doing this, I am supporting you, ये वो सब कुछ भी नहीं. They are like हाँ ठीक है आप कर रहे हो करो कोई बात नहीं ठीक है understood. But when some other person tells you ना कि पता है तुम्हारे पापा मिले थे and he was talking about your brand, that gives like because I remember he was going on a trip somewhere, like my mother and my father were going for a trip and उनको ना वो suitcase में airport पे आप चेक करने के टाइम पे आपको नहीं मिलता है तो they were like कि उस पर कुछ लगाना तो suddenly said bring your आड्रामा का sticker, I'll put it on my bag. So मुझे वो recognize करने में होगा and say to other friends of mine also कि this is my daughter's brand.
Creative father.
so cute.
Creative
Like
father.
कि उससे मुझे मेरा बैग भी मिल जाएगा and I'll also tell that like my other friends who are on the trip कि this is my daughter's brand t-shirt का she started and something. So that was something कि कहीं ना कहीं उनको भी एक कर मतलब कर ले पर दिखाना नहीं है कि
It is like खिचड़ी वाला प्रफुल्ल सिंह, मेरी हंसा.
Beneath, they are proud.
yeah of course they see again the Zakir Khan वाला dialogue कि कोई भी माँ बाप आपको गरीब नहीं देखना चाहता. They are not against your passion. They are like वो आपको गिरता हुआ नहीं देखना चाहते कहीं ना कहीं तो या
लेकिन आना भी तो पड़ता है देखने के लिए. आएंगे नहीं तो गिरते हुए देखेंगे कैसे. नहीं, बट आई एम रियली ग्लैड ऑल 4 of us sitting. I mean, अगर आप हमसे भी ये सवाल पूछते, we had and we still have, I'm sure, very interesting answers for this, and also for the entrepreneurs and people listening to us. Talk to your father if you felt that कि अभी तक आपको जो मैसेज मिलना चाहिए था नहीं मिला, सही हो के गलत हो मुंह पे बोल देंगे. So guys, we have been discussing about women entrepreneurship and specifically about your business in Vapi. I really wanted to, understand one thing. आप लोगों के लिए success क्या है? I mean, is it money? Is it the impact that you're creating, or is it at the end about the recognition that you're getting? What is it according to you?
So it's not about money basically. It is about to keep myself busy. Like कुछ कर रहे हैं हम life में. And of course, if you're doing good, you're working hard for it, so recognition अपने आप आता है. And money is, of course, a byproduct.
So you mean to say it's all a combination of all the three?
It's a combination.
You're trying to
Of
create an
course.
impact जिस वजह से recognition मिला है, and both of them result to money also.
Yes.
So the same question goes to you. What are you trying to create?
Same as she said, it's more about impact, how you show your brand, your passion to people around you. Then of course recognition, because if I am working so hard, I also want recognition for that. ऐसा ना हो कि I am building my brand and फिर वो एक दूसरा कोई पूरा credit and पूरा recognition ले जाए. It has to be me, and of course money, impact, recognition, money comes along. So yeah.
Okay, talking about the credit that you mentioned कि मैं सारी मेहनत करूँ और कोई लेके जाए, a lot of times मुझे ऐसा लगता है, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि when people support people, in market एक जनरल प्रोस्पेक्ट जाता है कि लोगों को तो पार्टनर्स, a very specific segment that I personally have so many friends of mine who are trying to support us in all the aspects possible. So do you feel that do you want to share with the people listening, like Berry and Lush, who owns it?
Who is doing it?
Who is doing it? More than owning, who is doing Berry and Lush?
So Berry and Lush is owned by Pooja Shah, and Pooja Shah doesn't have a team. She is the sole proprietor of it, you can say. So what happens is, like, when your friends support you, like, of course, like, कौन friend support करेगा, family करेगी. But अगर friends support कर रहे हैं, if we support each other, then people think that ये दोनों partner हैं.
True.
So whenever, if you see the creative or invite of Berry and Lush, there is only one in return, Pooja Shah. Then why are you bothering my friends for it?
True. Very true. Very true.
So do not bother them also.
So it's not about taking their name. It's about उनके life में.
Yeah, don't bother.
Somebody is bothering them. Very true.
You're
Very true.
like, even they are getting a burden of it.
Very
Yes.
true.
For
Absolutely
your
true.
work, somebody else is getting
Very true.
bothered.
And
Yeah.
at times it happens, it's difficult for them also to answer.
Yeah.
True. Very true. Very true.
So
Why to create such situation?
yeah,
course.
why do you
Unnecessary,
go
of
in
course.
that angle when you know things?
But in short, it's very much clear that Berry and Lush is owned by Pooja Shah.
yes.
And પેલું જે ઇન્વાઇટમાં લખેલું હોય બહુ સરસ રીતે વાંચવાનું રાખો, આવું કન્ફ્યુઝન
Please read. Please read.
Ritu, the same question goes to you. Any credits में ऐसा?
Credits, it's like कि अभी तक people knew me, then our drama, and अभी तक they are figuring out कि basically वापी में ये brand है, existence ही figure out कर रहे हैं. Maybe मेरे end से कुछ रह गया होगा, maybe I'm working on that. Every day we are learning some or the other thing, how to run a business, how to start a new homegrown brand. So yeah, it has been more of a recognition. अभी धीरे market में आ रहा है, and generally मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि this has also been a great platform to let people know what we are doing in our life. Like our drama है, किसका है? मेरा है.
तो can you give me one reason कि मुझे actually आपके पास से why should I get that t-shirt made from you? Can you give me one reason to the viewers specifically?
Yeah, so it's not about, see, money factor, of course I am doing business, it's not free, कोई NGO नहीं है. I am working उसके
We're
पीछे
working very hard, yes,
and
yes.
working उसके पीछे to create design, to be relevant in the market, कि लोगों को क्या पसंद आ सकता है. I always believe to go for quality then quantity, because even in life it's not just about my product, but in general always go for quality then quantity, because when you buy quality products, it's live longer than the quantity products. आप सस्ते खरीदो, you go buy from street, और ऐसी brands जो बहुत सस्ते में आपको टी-शर्ट प्रोवाइड कर सकती हैं. आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट देम, वो उनका स्ट्रैटेजी है बिजनेस करने का. बट आई बिलीव इन क्वालिटी, एंड व्हेन यू लाइक आप कपड़ा भी फील करो. The t-shirt right now I'm wearing right now, that is from my brand only. So अगर आप क्वालिटी पे जाओ, अगर आप उनके प्राइसिंग पे जाओ, तो यू कैन सी कि ये दूसरों से बेटर कुछ एस्पेक्ट्स में है. आई एम नॉट डिनाइंग कि उनके बेटर नहीं होंगे, बट ऑफकोर्स आई एम वर्किंग हार्ड फॉर दैट, एंड उसकी क्वालिटी यू कैन फील दैट. प्लस डिज़ाइंस मैं कस्टमाइज करके दे रही हूँ आपको. आपको आपके टी शर्ट पे कुछ लिखवाना है, आपको आपके ऑफिस के लिए चाहिए, आपको रेगुलर वेयर के लिए चाहिए, आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग दैट टी शर्ट फॉर यू, एंड दैट टू इन वापी इटसेल्फ. आपको कहीं जाके किसी को वो नहीं करना. इफ यू हैव रेडी डिजाइन्स, यू कैन सेंड मी PNG फॉर्मेट में, आई विल जस्ट प्रिंट दैट ऑन योर टी शर्ट. द टी शर्ट इज फॉर यू. मैं अपना टी शर्ट सेल करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, बट एट द एंड इफ यू वांट टू ओन अ टी शर्ट, इट शुड बी अबाउट यू. तो that's what I'm selling right now.
No, that's something very interestingly said. Just adding on, it's not just that the t-shirt that you're wearing, what I am wearing is also, and this is not a paid promotion. This is a paid t-shirt promotion कि मैंने उनको pay किया है. No guys, but just putting up my words to her. I was somebody who was looking for good t-shirts in and around, and I keep on experimenting things. Your t-shirt was actually an experiment. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं इतने सारे जगह से acquire कर रहा हूँ. Why don't I buy it from somebody who is so close within the city, known within the friends? And I just thought of giving an opportunity. Initially मैंने सोचा था कि मैं एक opportunity देता हूँ, but the moment I wore it, I know that you know this wasn't an opportunity. It was something that you have given me something very good. The quality is of course something very very well made. The prints are very good, and I feel that you know now I have somebody in the city जिसको मैं मतलब मेरे दिमाग में आज मेरे खुद के ब्रांड को लेके एक नया आइडिया आया, and I can just tell you and you will make it. So that's the confidence that I'm adhering to you. So thank you so much for being that. Pooja, the same question goes to you. What is this one thing that why people should come to Berry and Lush?
So first of all, it is because of exclusivity, wisely chosen stalls. I believe that even exhibitors should get benefit. Not only me as an organizer, but even exhibitors should wait for my exhibitions, to participate in my exhibitions. So this is the reason I try to choose, I ask for photographs, I try to curate. It is not like, भाई stall बेच ही देना है,
Yeah.
कि अरे आ रहा है इसको बेच दो free. नहीं, मेरे पास जगह है, but I think wisely from all the angles. मुझे इतने क्लोथिंग के रखने हैं, मुझे इतने ही बेकर्स चाहिए, मुझे इस लेवल के ऊपर ज्वेलर्स नहीं चाहिए. So that even there should be healthy competition for exhibitors, not tough competition.
Right.
I guess this also answers a point that you know okay why often stalls में आप मना करते हो काफी सारे लोगों को.
Yes.
That, you know, okay, you want it to be exclusive.
Yeah, it's,
तो जाहिर सी बात है first come first. Whoever approached you first, you have filled the bank.
Even like I'll think from my, of course, ki Berry and Lush is my brand, so I will think from that aspect also.
True, very true, very true. With whom
Like
you want
it
to.
should be a
Genuine
both-way
and
process.
quality.
Like both
As she
should
said,
get
quality
benefit.
चाहिए.
Quality.
There should be
अब
quality
genuinely मुझे
exhibitors.
लग रहा है कि इनके लिए मेरी स्टॉल अमाउंट बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है, तो I will not misguide that person.
True,
Right.
True.
I will not misguide. Like I don't want to sell my stalls in desperation.
True, very true.
ठीक है स्टॉल बिका तो ठीक है, but like the visitors should get an impact कि नहीं यहाँ Berry and Lush हमेशा comes up with some unique things.
Absolutely
Right.
right.
It should be a must-visit exhibition.
I mean, this is so beautifully said.
Yeah, this is my motto.
That defines why somebody should visit Berry and
Yes.
Lush. Thank you so much for saying that.
So basically, this is all, both of your business are run by you, and you started at a very young age. If somebody your age, say 22-year girl is watching this right now, what would you want to tell her? Like वो सोच रही है कि मुझे करना है, but she's stuck कि करूँ या ना करूँ, you know, like how you might have thought earlier when you wanted to start. Any message?
You go for it.
Yeah, you should go for it, definitely.
Have faith, have confidence. गिरोगे तो ही उठोगे.
It's okay you failed, 10
Yes.
times, but you'll get an experience and you'll learn from that, and you'll, make it in 11th.
Like you'll learn from your failure. Fail नहीं हुए तो क्या सीखा?
Yeah, of
True,
course.
very true.
The journey is worth it.
Worth
Yes.
it, yeah, of course.
But don't give up.
Yeah.
That's it. keep on trying.
Beautiful, beautiful. So apparently you guys met each other for the first time in this podcast, right? So if I want you to describe each other in one word, tell me, what would it be?
About Ritu, she is confident. She's clear in her thoughts. Like ऐसे ही करना है. Like I like this like Gen Zs, right?
I'm millennial.
Okay, you're a
not
millennial.
Gen Z,
So
And you?
For me, she is very, she has a better management skills because इतने लोगों के साथ manage करना is a task. In general, आप अगर बहुत लोगों को एक साथ manage करते हो, that is tiring and आप बहुत frustrate हो जाते हो. Even it is a personal, professional part of your life, but still वो personal पे impact करता है. And I think she's handling very great in that zone. And yeah, of course, she is confident and she doesn't even look like so, इतने experienced, like she looks so young कि ऐसा लगता है कि she might have started just, अभी. Yeah.
चलो, that's nice. तारीफ कर ली अच्छे से सबने एक दूसरे की. So a good end to
नहीं, before we end, आप लोग ही हम दोनों की तारीफ कर सकते हो.
प्लीज, हम भी बहुत छोटे दिखते
Please
हैं.
comment below. हम भी millennials हैं and बाकी आप समझ जाओगे. But anyways, thank you so much for this amazing show. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us today. We will be moving on to the super duper rapid fire round that we have. Rapid fire का सिर्फ एक ही रूल है, हम दो नहीं दिखेंगे, सिर्फ आप दो दिखोगे. We will be surely asking you some short questions. We are expecting some hot shot answers from you. Let's see how it goes. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So welcome to the rapid fire round. I will be asking you a few questions, one single short answers. Okay, the first question is tea or coffee?
coffee.
Coffee.
Morning person or night owl?
Morning person.
Night owl.
One word to describe Vapi as a business city.
Opportunity.
Creativity.
Instagram or WhatsApp for business?
Both.
Instagram.
Biggest stress buster during work, music, food or scrolling reels?
Scrolling reels.
Rolling reels. So true.
First thing you do when you wake up, check phone or take a deep breath?
Check phone.
Dono. Depends.
One emoji that describes your personality best, you have to act it.
You know that wing wala, the purple emoji with smile something.
For Pooja, you?
Devils.
In Berry and Lush and our drama, wear a color, what would it be?
Pink.
Purple.
Sari, kurti or jeans, you go to comfort outfit.
Jeans.
Jeans.
If you had to gift each other something from your business, what would it be?
I'll give you my stall.
I'll give you my t-shirt.
बेच दूंगी stall.
Biggest quality pleasure snack while working late?
No, I don't bench usually.
Makhane, if I'm not wrong.
One song that instantly gets you in a good mood?
Tip tip barsa pani.
For me, it's any Punjabi song. I just can enjoy any of.
More challenging, convincing clients or managing family expectations?
Convincing clients.
Managing family aspects.
What's more important, good money or good recognition?
Good recognition.
Good recognition.
Describe each other in one word.
Clarity.
Street smart.
Best advice you have received in your journey?
In my journey, wait.
Okay, think about it. Chalo, next question. If not an entrepreneur, what you do be doing today?
Proud homemaker.
Choreographer, maybe.
Best advice you have received in your journey?
Don't take things on your head. Just go on. Don't give a damn.
Advice was believe in quality over quantity in life.
If you had to host an exhibition abroad, which city?
Dubai.
Paris.
Do you prefer planned schedules or last minute chaos?
Planned.
Last minute chaos.
Planned, but it's chaotic. Like, hota hi hai last minute.
End it with this. Entrepreneurship for me is dash.
Is satisfaction.
Yeah, same satisfaction.
So thank you so much, guys. This was it, the rapid fire round of Friends in Town with Pooja Shah and Ritu Singh. Thank you again.